Suspended in the darkness of space, Saturn's rings have always been a breathtaking sight. But what if I told you that beneath their dazzling beauty lies a mystery even NASA couldn't believe? What if these iconic rings held secrets that could change everything we know about our solar system? Imagine what could be hidden in this cosmic spectacle. Are you ready to uncover the truth? Hit the like button and subscribe to Small World to dive deeper into the wonders of our universe. When we talk about the wonders of our solar system, Saturn's rings are nothing short of a cosmic masterpiece, right? Imagine this: billions of ice particles, rocks, and cosmic dust swirling around Saturn in a symphony of celestial motion. It's like watching an interstellar ballet, each particle gracefully moving in perfect harmony. These planetary rings aren't just massive, they're mind-bogglingly complex, stretching over 175,000 miles wide but astonishingly thin, only about 30 feet thick. This sheer scale has captivated astronomers for centuries, sparking endless curiosity about what secrets might be hidden in Saturn's orbit. And as we gaze up at those rings, we're not just looking at a planetary feature. We're peeking into a mystery that's been billions of years in the making. But the beauty of Saturn's rings isn't just in their appearance. It's in the secrets they hold. You see, these rings aren't just some random debris floating around a distant planet. They're a delicate balance of cosmic forces, with each particle orbiting Saturn in a carefully choreographed dance. And here's where things get really interesting. Scientists have long debated how these rings formed. Were they the remnants of a moon shattered by Saturn's gravity, or perhaps the leftovers from the planet's formation? The truth is, we're still not entirely sure. But one thing is clear: Saturn's rings aren't just a pretty sight. They're a puzzle, waiting to be solved. And as we dig deeper into this mystery, we might just uncover secrets that could change our understanding of the entire solar system. But more on that in a bit. Now, if you've ever wondered who's been at the forefront of uncovering the secrets of Saturn's rings, look no further than NASA's Cassini mission. Launched back in 1997, Cassini wasn't just your average space probe. It was a cosmic detective sent to investigate one of the solar system's most enigmatic features. For over a decade, this little spacecraft orbited Saturn, sending back stunning images and crucial data that helped us get up close and personal with those planetary rings. The mission was a bold step into the unknown, aiming to answer big questions. How did Saturn's rings form? What are they made of? But as with any good mystery, the answers weren't always what we expected. As Cassini dove between Saturn and its rings in its final days, the mission took an unexpected turn. Instead of just gathering dust and ice particles, it uncovered something far more intriguing: strange, unexplained objects hidden in Saturn's rings. We're talking about tiny moons, icy clumps, and hints of ancient collisions, all tucked away in the cosmic debris. These discoveries weren't just surprising, they were downright baffling. It was as if the rings were hiding a story far more complex than anyone had imagined. Suddenly, the mission wasn't just about understanding Saturn's rings. It was about rewriting what we thought we knew about the formation and evolution of the entire solar system. But hold that thought, because the plot thickens. What if I told you that hidden within Saturn's rings are mysteries that boggle the mind? As NASA's Cassini probe delved deeper into the planetary rings, it stumbled upon something that left scientists scratching their heads. Imagine discovering tiny moons, icy clumps, and peculiar structures where there should have been nothing but scattered debris. These weren't just random chunks of ice and rock. Some of these objects hinted at ancient, cataclysmic events, like cosmic battles frozen in time. It's as if Saturn's rings were a cosmic junkyard, filled with the remnants of long-forgotten collisions. These discoveries have upended our understanding of how these rings formed and evolved, suggesting they might be much older or younger than we ever thought. But here's the kicker: the more we learn, the less we seem to know. Now, these strange objects aren't just changing our view of Saturn, they're challenging our very understanding of planetary formation. For instance, some scientists now believe these icy clumps and mini-moons could be clues to the solar system's early days. Think about it. These structures could be relics from the time when planets were still forming, offering a rare glimpse into processes that shaped not just Saturn, but every planet in our solar system. And here's where things get even more fascinating. These findings might force us to rethink how we look at other planetary rings, like those around Jupiter or Uranus. What secrets could they be hiding? But let's not get ahead of ourselves, because there's one more theory that takes this mystery to a whole new level. Now, here's where things get really interesting. What if Saturn's rings are more than just ice and rock? Some scientists have started to wonder if these rings could harbor the right conditions for life. Yes, you heard that right. While it might sound like science fiction, the idea isn't as far-fetched as it seems. For example, we know that Saturn's moon Enceladus, which orbits within the E-ring, has a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust. And where there's water, there's the potential for life, at least as we know it. Could it be that tiny microbes are clinging to the icy particles within the rings or thriving in the hidden lakes of Saturn's moons? It's a tantalizing thought, one that opens up a whole new realm of possibilities in space exploration. But let's take a step back for a moment. While the idea of life in Saturn's rings might sound like a long shot, it's worth noting that life has been found in some pretty extreme environments right here on Earth. From microbes thriving in the crushing depths of the ocean to bacteria surviving in radioactive waste, life has a way of popping up in the most unexpected places. So, who's to say that similar forms of life couldn't exist within the rings, clinging to those icy particles as they orbit the gas giant? And if life can exist there, what does that say about the potential for life elsewhere in our solar system, or even beyond? But before we jump to any conclusions, let's take a look at what the future holds for exploring Saturn's secrets. As we look ahead, it's clear that Saturn's rings still have plenty of secrets to reveal, and NASA isn't done exploring them just yet. With the Cassini mission leaving us with more questions than answers, future missions are being planned to dive even deeper into the mysteries hidden in Saturn's orbit. One such mission on the horizon is the Dragonfly mission, set to explore Saturn's largest moon, Titan. While its primary focus is on Titan, the data it collects could offer new insights into the rings and the planet's complex system as a whole. There's also growing interest in sending more advanced probes, or even crewed missions to study Saturn and its moons up close. Imagine what we could learn if we had eyes on the ground, or rather, on the rings themselves. But it's not just about sending new missions. It's about what these missions could mean for our understanding of the universe. Discoveries within Saturn's rings could help us piece together the puzzle of planetary formation, not just in our solar system, but in systems light years away. By studying the composition and behavior of these rings, scientists hope to gain clues about how planets and moons form, evolve, and even support life. And who knows? Maybe the next big astronomical discovery is just waiting to be uncovered in those shimmering bands of ice and rock. But as we connect the dots between Saturn and the broader universe, we start to see how this exploration is about much more than one planet's rings. It's about unlocking the secrets of the cosmos itself. As we draw connections between Saturn's rings and the broader universe, it becomes clear that these planetary rings are more than just a fascinating anomaly. They're a cosmic key to understanding the very fabric of our universe. You see, the secrets hidden in Saturn's rings might be the clues we need to unravel how other planetary systems form and evolve. Think about it. If we can decipher the mysteries of these rings, we might just unlock the processes that lead to the creation of planets, moons, and even entire galaxies. Saturn's rings could be a microcosm of the larger cosmic dance, offering insights that extend far beyond our solar system. It's as if these rings are a window into the early days of the universe, where dust and gas swirled to form the celestial bodies we see today. But it doesn't stop there. The discoveries made within Saturn's rings could also have profound implications for our search for life in the universe. If we find that these rings, or similar structures around other planets, can support life, it might mean that life is more common in the universe than we ever imagined. And here's where things get even more exciting. By studying Saturn's rings, We could also learn more about the mysterious forces that govern the universe, like gravity, dark matter, and the formation of stars. In other words, by unlocking the secrets of Saturn, we might just be unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. But the journey doesn't end here. There's still so much more to explore, and who knows what we'll discover next. As we wrap up this incredible journey through Saturn's rings, it's clear that the secrets NASA has uncovered are more than just cosmic curiosities. They're game changers. Imagine the possibilities. What if the icy particles in Saturn's rings are clues to understanding our own planetary origins? Or what if these discoveries lead us closer to finding life beyond Earth? The mysteries of Saturn are not just about one planet. They're about unlocking the greater secrets of the universe. So, what do you think? Could these revelations alter our view of the cosmos? Dive into the comments and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest cosmic discoveries. And before you go, check out our previous video on 5 planets that could be our next Earth. You won't believe what we found out there.